Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? What's going on this time? Absolutely, my friend, the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So, therefore, my friend, I will make this special video for all Stellar XLM holder because 18.33% they will get my friend's profit in last 7 days. That's really nice, my friends, to see now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price will more pumping up. But kindly, if you want, my friends, to get a more profit, you will need, my friends, to do something very special and very new now. And my friend, if you are starting holding, so I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. But remember to, if you are, my friends, starting selling, so they cannot give you a profit. So kindly hold now. I hope, my friend, if you hold now, so be careful. I hope, my friend, you will need to be active every time, because there is no chance they will completely moving upward and they will not face down. So therefore, please, you will need to be ready every time. See you next time, Stellar XLM holder. Kindly like this stream, like this video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative videos.